Welcome back, everybody. Yeah, number 10 body for the SCX6 platform. 1968 Scout. This one here, I left the hard top off and went with the 3/8 aluminum round stock and created that roll bar by hand. Drilled and tapped everything with using M3 screws and bolted it down to the body. Redesigned the headlight and taillight buckets, and I also printed out a custom logo there, emblem that's on the front quarter panel. We're running Mickey Thompson's on this one, and this is on the original Honcho chassis using the original Honcho bumpers you can see there. I was over at my parents' house for Father's Day and thought what better way to be able to get this thing out and do a quick maiden run with it and get a little video. If you guys like what you're seeing here, like, share, and subscribe. And on Wednesday nights, you can find us talking about all of this 3D fab stuff over at Pilot Ryan Media on YouTube. Or you can find us on our new Facebook page, RC 3D Fab Factory. Come join us over there and get involved in the community and share your ideas and what you're doing with all this 3D printed body stuff. Look forward to seeing you either place or both. Take care. Happy Father's Day to everybody. We'll see you soon on the next one.